Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English story listening practice. Today, we have a wonderful story for you at the A1 level. It's a great way to improve your listening skills and learn new words. The story is called The Little Red Hen. Remember, you can listen as many times as you need. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen. She lived on a farm with her friends, a lazy dog, a sleepy cat, and a noisy duck. The little red hen was very hard-working. She was always busy. One morning, the little red hen found some grains of wheat. "Who will help me plant this wheat?" she asked. "Not I," said the lazy dog. He was too tired to help. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. She wanted to sleep in the sun. "Not I," said the noisy duck. He wanted to swim in the pond. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. She planted the grains of wheat all by herself. Soon, the wheat grew tall and golden. It was ready to be cut. "Who will help me cut this wheat?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," barked the lazy dog from his shady spot. "Not I," meowed the sleepy cat, stretching her legs. "Not I," quacked the noisy duck from the cool water. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. She cut the tall, golden wheat all by herself. Now the wheat needed to be taken to the mill to be ground into flour. "Who will help me take this wheat to the mill?" she asked her friends. "Not I," said the lazy dog. The mill was too far. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. She didn't want to walk. "Not I," said the noisy duck. He was having too much fun. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. She carried the heavy wheat to the mill and came back with a big bag of fine white flour. Back on the farm, the little red hen had a new question. "Who will help me bake bread with this flour?" she asked. "Not I," said the lazy dog. Baking seemed like a lot of work. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. The kitchen would be too hot. "Not I," said the noisy duck. He was busy splashing in the pond. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen with a sigh. And she did. She mixed the flour with water and yeast. She kneaded the dough. She put it in the oven. Soon, a wonderful smell filled the air. The smell of fresh, warm bread came from the little red hen's house. The lazy dog woke up and sniffed the air. The sleepy cat opened her eyes and sniffed the air. The noisy duck stopped swimming and sniffed the air. They all ran to the little red hen's house. The bread was golden brown and looked delicious. "Who will help me eat this bread?" asked the little red hen. "I will," barked the dog. "I will," meowed the cat. "I will," quacked the duck. They were all very excited. But the little red hen shook her head. "No," she said. "I planted the wheat. I cut the wheat. I took the wheat to the mill. I baked the bread. I did it all by myself. So now, I will eat it all by myself." And she did. The little red hen took the delicious bread inside her house and ate it all up. The lazy dog, the sleepy cat, and the noisy duck just watched. They were very hungry, and they were also very sorry. They learned a valuable lesson that day. If you want to enjoy the reward, you must help with the work. That's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed The Little Red Hen. Let's go over some of the words we learned. Hen, a female chicken. Farm, a place where people grow food and keep animals. Lazy, someone who does not like to work. Sleepy, feeling tired and wanting to sleep. Noisy, making a lot of sound. Wheat, a grain used to make flour for bread. Plant, to put seeds in the ground so they can grow. Mill, a building where grain is made into flour. Bake, to cook food, like bread, in an oven. Dough, the mixture of flour and water before it is baked. Delicious, tasting very good. Lesson, something you learn from a story or experience. Great job listening today. Practice is the key to getting better. Try listening to the story again and see how many words you can recognize without looking at the text. This story teaches us about the importance of hard work and helping others. When we work together, everyone can share in the good things that come from it. Thank you for joining me for this A1 English story. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more stories and listening practice. We post new content regularly to help you on your English learning journey. Let me know in the comments what kind of stories you'd like to hear next. See you in the next video. Goodbye.